Honest thoughts. Ocean City, Maryland.
It's nice. It's not my vibe.
It's nice. Like, it is a nice beach. But it's definitely for people who want to do the carnival rides, the mini golf, like the Ferris wheel, the boardwalk, like things like that. I feel like if that's what you're wanting, like for the family, that would be really nice.
I feel like it's a destination where if your priorities are not rest and relaxation, like, and you want to go and do stuff, like,
because they have like the Jolly Roger, which has the water park, and like there's a lot of like kids activities. Yeah. Well, not just kids, but like family activities. There's a lot of like go things to do. No, like I don't feel like there's really many places that you can stay here that you have everything in walking distance. Like you have to drive places.
It's very spread out.
Yeah. And we're like I just want to park here and like have everything.
Never touch my car
spot.
again.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Yeah.
It's nice. It's pretty. It's well kept. It's clean.
Oh yeah, yeah, it's clean.
It's very clean beach.
Yeah, they do a pretty good job of keeping it clean.
We were surprised that there are surfer areas.
Yeah.
So they had designated spots for surfers, and so he was like fishing, and he was still getting into fish, but he actually got kicked out early because they were setting up for the designated surfing areas. Also, we talked to the lifeguards, and they said that the weather that we had the last couple days is not normal. Like, it is definitely residual weather from the tropical storm that came through earlier. Normally not like that crazy mist fog. It's normally not like big waves like we had. The water's normally not that cold this time of year. I think today is like the normal vibe.
Yeah.
So
or closer to normal.
Yeah. Castle in the Sand. It's a nice cheap hotel.
Yeah. It is what you pay for. I mean, it's old.
It is definitely more of a party vibe.
Yeah.
Because it's got the Coconut Bar and Grill.
Nice food.
Yeah, which amazing wings.
Yeah.
Fantastic coconut shrimp. Drinks are good. The tropical gummy bear, that was yummy. Recommend that one. The cherry limeade thing, I mean, that was good, but I really like that tropical gummy bear. It's really good, but for staying there, if you want to go to bed early, this is not a good spot. If you want to like stay up late, you want to enjoy the music, like if that's what you want to do, it would be nice.
Yeah.
It was clean. It is really tiny. Clean. Housekeeping, struggling, like some house and stuff. But we like have the sign up for them not to come in during the day while we're gone, so I can't really complain about that. But we did have to go down the front desk and be like, we need a few things, guys.
Yeah. I mean, everyone's friendly, like they're nice.
Oh, the staff is very friendly. Yeah. They're all very nice, yeah. Walking in at the Castle in the Sand where it just smells like an old beach hotel. It is an old beach hotel.
Yeah,
but it is really cute that they make it look like a sandcastle.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, that part is cute. Our favorite part is that it's on the beach.
Yeah.
I love walking out and going straight to the beach. Hilton, super nice. We love the Hilton.
Yeah.
When you walk in, it just smells so good. And compared to walking in at the Castle in the Sand where it just smells like an old beach hotel, the Hilton is really nice. Staff's really friendly. We do like the Hilton. So, and it's right on the beach too.
Yeah.
Very nice. Rooms are a lot bigger. Right here. Look at these cute little umbrellas. What is the name of this?
Solstice.
Solstice something. It's inside the Hilton.
Yeah.
We just got here, night one. See how this goes. Blackened chicken Alfredo with the bread, delicious. It's so big, we're splitting it. Jesse got Philly steak. Is it good? Have you tried it yet?
I haven't tried it yet. I've just been eating the fries.
Mom got coconut shrimp.
I got plain noodles and a little bit of french fries.
Very nice. Wow, lovely.
Boardwalk right down there. Yeah.
What do you think, Olivia?
I love it.
Love it. Nice.
We've had a lot of people tell us like they're staying at Airbnbs, although I have never heard this about an Airbnb before. So if you've ever heard this, let me know, because I've never came across this. They rented the Airbnb, they got there are no sheets, no linens, no towels, nothing at the Airbnb. And they're like, well, if you would have wanted like sheets and towels and stuff, you should have requested that in advance, and it's $40 per night. So they had to leave here, drive 40 minutes to Walmart to go buy bed sheets to go back to, because they didn't have any type of towels, bed sheets, linens, nothing at the Airbnb. I thought bedding and towels were pretty standard, like not even beach, we're talking just bathroom washcloths, towels. I'm really surprised by that. I did not know to watch out for that, because we've rented Airbnbs before, I've never had that problem. The one we're at in Destin, oh my gosh, she's amazing. She has everything.
Yeah,
she had beach toys, fishing poles, beach chairs, a beach bag for us to take down, beach towels, like everything. Amazing. Everything was provided. Apparently we need to watch that on Airbnb. The sheets on the bed are not always included.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Who knew?
Who knew? Did you know that? I didn't know that. I've never heard of that. I'll give you guys a really quick room tour. We got to throw our stuff in here. It's not one of those perfect room tours, but you still get to see everything. We're staying at the Castle in the Sand, and it is right on the beach. We've got the South Corner Efficiency. It sleeps 6, so it's got a little kitchenette. Perfect. We needed like tiny little stove, something to be able to like fix a few meals for as many days as we're gonna be here. You walk in here, there's Olivia in the room. This is a pull-out couch, and then you got the double beds, a table to sit 4, TV.
And the couch is my bed.
This is a little kitchenette. It does have a microwave, a little fridge. It's like a little under the sink fridge. Little stove. But they did said they have a few pots and pans and like dishes.
Oh, and Daddy loves his coffee.
So.
We have coffee in the morning.
And then we've got, they have a dresser, the good sized mirror. And then you got the bathroom. And this one does have the full size tub. The view and the location is what makes this hotel amazing. There is a restaurant outside of our room on the main floor, which is really loud music. We're a little concerned, if I'm being honest, we're a little concerned about how that is going to work and how late they're going to be playing. Because it's a
Statue down here.
It's a Tuesday. I mean, it's still plenty early, but I just hope that doesn't really go late. There's one outlet over there by the window, by the AC.
Okay, I have 2 outlets here in the kitchen, one on the counter, one on the floor.
Those.
Oh my. There's one in the kitchen.
We have 1 outlet in the kitchen. Keep forgetting it's Saturday, especially like earlier this morning when all the boats were coming out, and I'm like, God, there's a lot more boats today. I'm like, the weather's nicer, but I'm like, there's like a crap ton of boats, and I'm like, oh yeah, it's Saturday.
Well, one, this is like the first nice day in what, how many days? And then 2, it's Saturday.
Yeah.
I mean, considering that, I don't think the beach is too crowded.
I don't think so either. Like,
oh, I thought those are dolphins. Those are jet skis.